Hey guys, my name is Kate. I'm with Ramsey Subaru, and today I wanted to show you my top 5 must-have accessories for when you're buying a new car. So, starting here on our 2025 Subaru Crosstrek, this one is a limited model in magnetite bright. We have the rear bumper cover. So, very low profile, blends in. This is a must-have in my opinion because as you're taking bikes, groceries, suitcases in and out of the car, it's going to protect a high traffic area from getting light scratches and dinged up and kind of protect the overall value of the car. In a similar nature, we have the rear seat back protectors here. So if you are moving a lot of cargo or have bikes or dirty things, kids' sports equipment going in, that's going to protect the carpet that's on the back of the car. Again, another must-have accessory for protecting the overall quality. So, hopping over to another car I have in the showroom. This is a 25 Subaru Outback Touring, and this one has these splash guards on it. So it's a very low profile accessory, and if you drive on a lot of gravel roads or do a bit of off-roading or something that's kind of a little more than your average highway driving, that is going to be a really big accessory for protecting the paint and the quality of your car.
Subaru's genuine all-weather floor mats are a complete no-brainer. Many people are surprised to learn that every new Subaru only comes with carpet mats. While these are an upgrade, they're definitely worthwhile for an affordable accessory for your new Subaru. So, what I love most about them is that they are precision cut to each Subaru model that we have. They also lock firmly into place at the factory anchor points on the driver's side, which means no slipping or sliding under the pedals ever while you're driving. They're also still really easy to pop out, hose off, and snap right back on for your next adventure. Each set includes 4 mats, 2 larger ones for up front and 2 smaller ones for the rear, and they're designed to handle mud, snow, spills. They're all thick, durable, and have deep channels to trap water, dirt, salt, and keep your vehicles looking like new. When it comes to a practical, no-nonsense upgrade, Subaru's all-weather mats are one of the smartest add-ons you can buy. Moving on to storage guards. So, Subaru's genuine storage guards are a simple upgrade that definitely pays for itself and protects the car. What I like most about them is that they are color matched using Subaru's factory paint and installed directly onto the door edge to create an invisible shield against chips, stings, and scratches. Whether they're installed at the factory or done by one of my technicians, we use laser alignment to ensure that they're exactly where they need to be. Why these are so useful? If you park in tight spaces or have kids flinging door opens like they're storming a castle, these guards are going to be a lifesaver. They help protect both your car and the car next to you, so no more cringing every time you open the door and hoping that there's no serious damage. By preventing paint damage, they're also going to help you maintain your Subaru's resale value and keep your car looking newer longer. On the 2025 Outback, we also have the exterior mirrors with approach lighting and auto dimming. This is really nice. Again, back to another safety thing. If you go ahead and open the door or click your key, this is going to shoot some approach lighting down, making it easier to see the car at night. Again, just another safety thing that's an extra touch. All right, and there you have it. Those are my top 5 must-have accessories for your new Subaru. Most of our cars have some of these small accessories on it. If there's something you're looking for that we don't have, our service department is happy to install it. We can also look at having it installed direct from the factory before your car even gets here. Either way, feel free to follow up with us. We have great sales consultants. They're very knowledgeable about all of the accessories and can also make good recommendations for things that would be good with your lifestyle.